Today I day traded Tesla and made a 20% return in the first 5 minutes of the trading day. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how that happened. Now, I document real trades in a disciplined SPY Tesla strategy, including wins, losses, and the psychological traps that can derail even a good system. So today, I want to walk you through the open. Don't forget to visit stockmarketdaddy.com, scroll down to the problem gambling awareness assessment, and take the assessment to see if you have a problem gambling. Now, at the start of the trading day, we always consider SPY first. SPY is our go-to ticker symbol. This ETF offers all of the opportunities for new traders, small account traders, people new to options, and there's a lot of benefits to trading SPY. We also like Tesla. Tesla has a large average range for the day, and they also have a tight bid-ask spread, and that's why we love these two in particular. Now, as you can see, we're switching back and forth between the SPY and Tesla. So you can tell that when we're on the SPY, when we're looking at 680 to 700, and you know that we're looking at Tesla when you see, 425 to about 370. That range, that's how you can tell which one we're looking at. So now we're looking back at Tesla. We're looking to see if we're going to get a rejection off of this 20 period moving average on the 2-minute time frame, and this here is the 15-minute time frame, which is showing us rejection from the 200 period moving average. Now we want to prioritize trading in the same direction as the 21 period moving average, which is the golden moving average. So even though it looks like a bunch of spaghetti, as some people would say, I'm lasering in on the 21 period moving average. All right. And I'm using that as my primary measure. All right. The 200 period moving average is already above creating the ultimate ceiling on the 2-minute time frame, but here we are on the 15-minute time frame, and we see that the 21 period moving average is pointing down. So that is adding to our conviction that the move will ultimately be to the downside, and following a huge move down into the 21 period moving average. So I'm already lined up. We got a 385 put. It touched the 21 period moving average. I'm anticipating a rejection. So once we broke through there a bit, I'm looking, and boom, we're going to jump in here. Now notice that on the option chain, the asking price is lower than the low was until we just made the purchase. Once we bought it, we brought the low down. So now we're instantly getting a rejection from the 21 period moving average on the 15-minute time frame, but we switch back to the 2-minute time frame so we can laser focus in on what's happening minute to minute. Okay, so boom, that was a good entry. We're already seeing profitability, and this happened yesterday and I didn't take profit, so I'm not going to fall for that again. Although we're only 2 minutes into the trade, I'm setting my eyes on a 20% return, and we got a closed candle at the 21 period moving average on the 2-minute time frame, and now I'm looking for continuation towards 409. Okay, remember 409.18 was our level from a previous trade. So if you go back about 3 videos, you'll see that I said keep 409.18 in mind. All right, because that's a level that we are gonna pay very close attention to. Now today, spoiler alert, we didn't go as low as 409. We came down to about 410, and then we reversed and headed back to the top. So here we are moving back towards 409. I didn't wait to see if we were going to get all the way down to that level. I went ahead and stuck with my rules. Once we approached 20%, I went ahead and banked that profit, and I was able to do that in the first 5 minutes of the trading day. Look at us, 26%, 25%, 24%, and now we are considering getting out of this position before this reverses on us. Now, this is how we do a quick scalp at the beginning of the trading day. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Peace and love, and I hope you get rich. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below.